Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you for making another no-bake cheesecake. For this recipe, the ingredients that we will need are milk, butter, store-bought custard mixture, cream cheese, sweet condensed milk, lemon juice and biscuits. The recipe and the exact measurements of the ingredients will be listed on my website www.katerinalittlekitchen.com. Now I have already prepared my base by turning the biscuits into crumbles and add the butter melted. Use it as a base on a baking dish, and now it's time to make the cream. In a bowl, add the milk and the custard mixture, and using your hand mixer, beat it until it gets fluffy and like a mousse. Now add the sweet condensed milk and keep beating. Now add the cream cheese. Keep beating again, and at last add the lemon juice. So that is our cream. Place the cream on top of the crumbled biscuits and put it into the refrigerator for at least 4 to 5 hours. I prefer it during night. You can serve it with homemade strawberry jam, which I have already a recipe on my website and on my YouTube channel, or you can use any jam you like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like it, give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next recipe. Bye!